You guys want to learn how to do keto-friendly, low-carb, fried fish on the griddle? Stick around. Done. Welcome back, guys. We are excited to still be together when the world is falling apart.
COVID's crazy, but we're still together.
We're hanging in there. Today we're just going to do stick with Nate's low-carb, keto-friendly burrito. If you watched this video there, we did burrito cook-offs, or three-way video there.
If you haven't watched them, go watch them. It's kind of fun. Three different takes.
We made a playlist.
Yeah, we did.
Burrito playlist.
Going to do fried haddock on the griddle with 0 carbs.
0? No way, 0.
0 carbs on the breading. But garlic powder, onion powder has about 1 to 2 carbs per tablespoon or teaspoon. But realistically, it's going to be a dusting. So we're talking about.
Well, you're not going to use a whole teaspoon or tablespoon.
Not
right?
on each fillet. So it's just going to be in the mix. And we're going to throw some broccoli on the side because that's also keto friendly.
What we're doing with the broccoli though is this awesome thing.
Yukon Glory sent us this. This thing is well built. This is pretty serious.
They don't mess around.
This is wow.
Yeah, you feel the heat. Oh, we should have said that. We should see what the heat's at, actually.
It's 350 degrees.
And it's only been sitting there for less than 5 minutes.
But it just clips onto the back of your griddle, and it works as a cover, so.
You have a phone in your garage?
All right, so we got haddock. Is it haddock and broccoli?
We got haddock and broccoli, very keto friendly. And
stick around, guys. We're going to start cooking soon.
That's it. 400 degrees. That's the things. We've had it on for 20 minutes, just while we're getting everything else ready.
This isn't even on high.
Thanks.
I think that thing's great. Love that thing.
That thing is impressive. Guys, the key to this whole thing, and a lot of the cooks I'm gonna do down the road, Nate may try it out, you guys may try it, is protein powder. 0 carb, isopure, or whey protein isolate is what the official term is for it. No flavor. So they have vanilla, they have all the different, you just get the plain. And that's what we're doing as a replacement for the flour. So I'm just gonna take 1 scoop of that, put it in there. We got a teaspoon garlic powder, teaspoon onion powder, teaspoon of cayenne pepper, give it a little extra something. And then about a teaspoon of salt. What I'm gonna do is just mix that up. Nate, is that called a double dredge when I flour it then?
I don't know if you would call it a double dredge per se, but dry, wet, dry.
Dry, wet, dry. So the end result is that we're gonna put the fillet in the flour, quote unquote flour, then egg wash, then flour, then on the griddle.
On the griddle.
Yeah.
That's good, Jeff.
We'll put some together and go from there.
So this stuff, no carb, but it still tastes good. You're promising, right?
It doesn't taste anything. That's the best part about it, is that it gets crispy, it acts as a flour. I want to try this for the biscuits and gravy sauce, just to see if I can make a roux with it. But no, the whole idea is that it doesn't have any flavor, so you make it whatever you want it, which is nice. And it doesn't get the chalky flavor that like almond flour has sometimes, or different substitutes. So with the haddock, which is just a white fish that we have an abundance of in New England for the most part.
Yeah, it's an Atlantic fish.
Yeah, you can use any fish that you want.
Any flaky white fish.
Yeah, any flaky white fish.
79 a pound? What'd you get?
$9.99 a pound for the big fillets. But I cut them in half. So I cut the fillets in half so that way they were smaller pieces, a little more manageable. So, and then I washed them and dried them. And I think that's kind of key to everything sticking, is having it nice and dry when you're doing the egg wash. And then back to this. I noticed when it had some water on it, it was
I always wash my fish.
I wash my fish all the time too.
Always have to.
Yeah.
It's a must.
So coat that.
That looks good.
And then right back into the no carb mix.
I still don't believe it. No
carb. You can see how it coats nicely.
Yeah.
It looks like flour, yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we're just going to finish this up, get ready for the griddle, go from there. So the fish cooks really quickly. As soon as you get color on it, it's done. So because of that, we're going to start the broccoli early. Guys, putting the broccoli down first. We got this on medium heat. the fish cooks so quickly. As soon as you get color on both sides, it's done. So we're gonna give the broccoli a couple extra minutes. The way we're gonna do that is put some oil down. This is blazing hot. Thank you.
Garlic.
Some garlic.
Broccoli?
And then broccoli. And do a little salt and pepper. And this is Jane's crazy mixed up pepper. Chris put me onto this. Stuff is awesome.
Good stuff.
And also keto-friendly butter. You can omit the butter if you want, but I'm just gonna let that melt right through the top. Give that 2 minutes, maybe 3, give it a toss, and then we'll move on to the fish.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, so broccoli's been down for about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes. Ready to go. Chris, we're gonna put some oil down on that. Going pretty heavy on the oil. It's just kind of like a shallow fry.
Yeah, Suedo deep fry, right?
We have this on high heat.
Good.
Put some oil around that. Alright. Give it like maybe 2 or 3 minutes tops.
Yeah.
And then we'll flip it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Literally been like 2 minutes. Broccoli's cooked a little quicker because we had the griddle on for so long.
With the warming tray, we got that.
Warming tray.
Good. Oh, it's good.
Yeah, as you can see, the fish cooking quickly.
And this thing's working out real well too with the, you know, broccoli's done, just keeping them warm, like that. Wow.
So good.
It is delicious. So, thank you, COVID. We get to stand in a cold garage and do our taste test. But this is really good. The cayenne pepper comes through. It is definitely crispy. I mean, look at this. This is an outstanding meal.
Cayenne with fish goes very good, Jeff.
I never thought I would like it. I really didn't.
I think
But
it helps.
it's got a nice kick to it. The fish is nice and flaky.
You don't miss the fish flavor at all. You still get the fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're gonna cook this, it is astounding how fast the fish cooked on the griddle. Like, do it last. I don't care if you're just making hot water on the side. Do the fish last, because it's 4 minutes max.
And bread the fish, put it right on the griddle. Don't let it sit around on a plate because it
Yeah.
peels off
Yeah.
the crust as you're putting it on. But anyways,
So Griddle Guys scorecard on this. We're not gonna break it down by category here live on camera. We'll do that off camera, but we're thinking we're around a 17. I mean, the flavor on this is top notch. It's getting 5 out of 5. Little bit difficult. Like Jeff said, you got to get the breading down, and you got to get it breaded and get it on the griddle. It doesn't sit well, you know. And then the fact that you only have 4 minutes to get this cooked and plated, you know, it's not brainless cooking here. This is active cooking.
most people don't have this in their kitchen, but we'll have a link down below. It's good to have. Plan on doing a lot of cooks with it in the future.
I mean, the breading is marvelous. Really, really
It's
good.
very good. You're right. I'm not missing out on panko or breadcrumbs. This tastes just as good.
Yeah. The wow factor is going to be high because this is as good as any fried fish. You know, so
In the
I
grill.
love them. Oh, the red cayenne makes everything better.
it's great.
It makes everything better. I swear to God, I taste it. Good stuff.
So, in the griddle community, we're small. You know, it's kind of got a family theme going on, just in general. You know, with everybody that's out there. But we want to do a quick shout out to Hungry Hussy. He's getting almost up to 100,000 subscribers. That's huge.
If you don't know him, go check him out.
Definitely
The
check him
Hungry
out.
Hussy.
And subscribe his channel. We want to push him over 100,000.
We
And you're
love
close.
him. He's a great guy, good family guy. He works hard.
Big deal.
He's a good griddler.
Let's help get his button. Anyways,
Yeah, help him, please. Go check him out.
Oh, well, while you're at it, go ahead and like and subscribe to us too.
please. Take that too, 'cause
We would appreciate that.
we're creeping up slowly, but we're there. You know, there. But anyways, thanks again.
Yep.
Be safe.
Griddle on.
Griddle on.
Enjoy your fish.